I guess it shows you the power of the visual because there's a call out section. A call out is just like a special section of 2 or 4 pages. And in that, I was talking about like how many bullet points should you use and so on. So I made sort of a supposed to be kind of humorous slide, which went with the text. And it was, 7 lines of text with a title. And it just, said like, it was ironic. It was the way not to do it. It was the bad example. And yet someone looking at my book who liked the book and, says they made a whole video about how they're a fan and everything and gave that as an example. Here is a good slide. This is what Reynolds says, have 7 lines of text and, no more than 7 or 12 words. No, that's the opposite of what I said, but it just shows you the power of the visual because yes, there is a slide like that. And I didn't, so this is my mistake. I should have put a big X, like in Japan, we put a big, like bots called a bots mark, a big X, which means that's not the way to do it. And then you have like a green circle on another slide that says this is the way to do it. So in a way, that was my mistake. And then the other thing is people think that, well, the way I do it, because I'm talking about Zen and the things I do over here. So, oh, I see. I should put pictures of Zen gardens and things like that, which isn't relevant. Or just pictures for picture's sake. For example, when I say go analog, like prepare analog, what would be a good visual for that? You might have a visual of someone at a whiteboard or with sticky notes, but I'd see something like a TV set, with antennas. Well, that is analog. Okay, it kind of close. It does help maybe someone remember, but that's not really the best use of a visual, right? They're just sort of throwing things in there. So I think really thinking carefully about the kind of visuals you put in because it helps people pay attention, but it also helps them remember.